Quickstrike motorcycle never rests. It waits. Between rides, the aluminum rear stand spools keep the motorcycle poised, coiled, and ready for the next thrilling ride. Limited edition, unlimited precision.
The Zero Quickstrike package.
Epic. And now guess what we have here. Today I'm going to show you what's inside the Quickstrike package. I decided to assemble it on my own. Normally your dealer will do it for you, but the most parts are pretty plug and play, and so I decided to do it myself. And the advantage is that I can do an unboxing of those parts for you. Have fun. The Quickstrike package is packed in two part packets, as you can see here. And in the one you will find the bike cover. It's a pretty quality material. I think this is only the bag, and there inside will be the cover. And maybe I will show you later, as my bike is in the garage, so I won't need it. And now let's see what's inside here. Wow! First of all, we have this nice packed with the Zero emblem special package. I can think that there's the pins, the needles, and all this other paper stuff inside. I will unpack it later. Let's put it aside. And then, okay, those are pretty light parts, so I think this will be the carbon parts, the fenders. 1 and 2. Down there are the other smaller parts. Here are the flashlights. Here for the stands. And those are the lever guards. And of course the mirrors. The very nice black box that comes with the package holds all the documentation, the certificate of authenticity, and it's made like a small drawer, as you can see. Here you have the badge for the tank, which shows that you have the Quickstrike package. It shows the limited number 53. And if I assume that the number 1 and up to 50 stayed in the US and the number 51 to 100 went to Europe, then I have the number 3 in Europe, quite a nice number. Then in addition you have the small needle that you can put on your jacket. As you can see, all the parts are nicely packed. You have here the nice mirrors from Barracuda, as well as the lever arms and the swing arm spools. Really nicely packed. The side markers are made from high quality plastic. Everything is very, very fine, very good engineered. The surfaces are flawless here, of the windshield, for example, or of the very light carbon parts. They have a very nice matte finish, and they're engineered really on a high-end level. Here you have the lever arms. They're very light, from aluminium. Also they have this aluminium bar ends. What I did not expect is that you in fact get 2 lever arms with the kit. I thought it will be only 1 lever arm protector, as you only have the front brake, and on the other on the left side you have nothing. So I thought the kit would just come with 1, but actually it comes with 2 protectors. And then you have here these very nice finish mirrors from Barracuda. You can adjust them in any angle, and on the back you have the 0 sign. Okay, that was my little unboxing of the Quickstrike package. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. The next step will be to assemble all these parts to the bike. I'm really looking forward to it, and I think the parts are really high quality. If they are worth the price of $1,000 for the Quickstrike package, you have to decide on your own. After all, there are only 100 pieces worldwide and only 50 pieces from them came to Europe. So I'm pretty happy that I was able to get one. And now let's have a look on how to install the parts. I started with the front fender. It would have been a 2-minute job if the holes for the bolts in the carbon part would have been the same diameter as on the original part. Unfortunately, the holes are smaller. They have just the diameter of the thread of the bolt and not of the special aligning head. So I had the choice either to take the original bolts, install it and have them sticking out a little bit, or to buy new bolts with another head. Or what I did, I just drilled bigger holes into the carbon part so that the original bolts would sit flush with the carbon. Here you can see the original holes and the size that was supposed to be in the carbon parts. Now let's change the front indicator lights. For this you have to remove the plastic cover underneath the dashboard. It's held by 2 bolts and 2 plastic holders. In order to remove the plastic holders, you have to push the little pin from inside out, and then you can easily remove them. When you plug in the new cable, just remember black goes to black and red is for right side. It's very similar for the rear indicator lights. Here you have to unscrew 2 screws to remove the clamp that is holding the 2 indicator lights. And in order to get to the plugs, you need to remove the rear seat with a key, and then to unscrew the little box hidden underneath the seat. In order to get out the box, you need to unscrew 2 screws of the handlebars and to just loose the other ones, so you can lift them up a little bit and remove the small case. Underneath you find the plugs for the indicator lights. You need to remove the fasteners and to unplug the cables. Afterwards it's the same as for the front side. Black goes to black and the red cable indicates the right indicator light. And here you can see once more the red wire coming from the bike is for the right indicator light, and the left white wire shows the left indicator light. After you finished the change of the indicator lights, just fix them again with a cable fastener, replace the little box, put in the screws, the seat, and you're done. With replacing the rear fender, I had the same problem as with the front fender. I had to make larger holes for the bolts into the carbon part as well in order to align the rear fender. Finally, as you can see, the Quickstrike mirror is a lot smaller, but however, I think the better design justifies the inferior function of the mirrors. Okay, my friends, that's it. I hope the video was a little bit informative for you. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I will be happy to answer them. So thank you for watching and bye bye till next time.